You can use one or two indexes to subset the elements of a two-dimensional array. You can think of this two-dimensional array as an array of two elements, such that each element is a one-dimensional array of three elements. If you print the shape attribute of A2D, the tuple 2, 3 is returned. This means that there are 2 rows and 3 columns. The 2 rows are indexed from 0 to 1. The first row is at index 0 and the second row is at index 1. Again, the 3 columns are indexed from 0. The first column is at index 0, the second column is at index 1, and the third column is at index 2. You can use the indexes to subset elements of the array. This is what A2D looks like. This is the first row, which is at index 0. This is the second row, which is at index 1. 7 and 10 make up the first column, which is at index 0. 8 and 11 make up the second column, which is at index 1. 9 and 12 make up the third column, which is at index 2. This statement will return a view of the row at index 0 of array A2D. This statement will return a view of the row at index 1 of array A2D. This statement will return the element at index 1 of the row at index 0 of the array A2D. That is the same element at row 0, column 1. This is row 0 and this is column 1. So the view returned is the view of 8. This statement is the same as the previous one. This will return the element at row 0, column 1. This statement will return all the columns in row 0. This statement will return all the rows in column 1. That is 8 and 11. What do you think the result of running this statement will be? This statement will select the row at index 1, the row at index 0, and the row at index 1 again. Can you guess what the result of executing this statement will be? The view returned will be 10, 8, and 12. The element at index 0 of this row is 10. the element at index 1 of this row is 8 and the element at index 2 of this row is 12.